In the fall of 2007, a new sound was heard in the hallowed halls of Monmouth College. What started as a way to impress the ladies with Valentine songs became so much more. The Scotsmen, Monmouth's original a cappella group, not really, burst onto the scene, later becoming the inspiration for Pitch Perfect. Again, not really. 12 years later, lonely from COVID-19, these brave and slightly older men are back. And now, the moment none of you have been waiting for, but somehow have always wanted, the Scotsmen are here.
We on our way. We on our In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In a village, a peaceful village, a lion sleeps tonight. In a village, a quiet village, a lion sleeps tonight. Bye.